in life, we are still just as broke as you are.
Yeah, I'm broke as crap.
Look at that form. Straight form. Oh, one hand over the head.
Elegant. Just regular old normal people stuff. Alright, so I just pulled up to a random Walmart all the way in Atlanta, like an hour and a half from my house with Marquise. I'm here to sell my coilovers so that I can get up the money finally to go ahead and get the wheels, because they're here. They're at Evasive Motorsports, but I got to pay off the other half of the deposit for them to send them to me. So that's what I'm doing. I got my, oh, if you can see them, crap, they're in that box. The coilovers that he said he's 37 minutes out. I'm selling a guy, he should be pulling up in his FRS. I don't know if he'll be cool with me filming or not, but yeah, he's gonna buy them for me, and you know, I'm going to secure the bag. But for now, I gotta go use the restroom. Boy, I gotta go bad. These monsters, they go right through you. All right, so I went and drained the lizard. So I'm gonna go grab some Chick-fil-A. The guy said he's still about 30 minutes away, so I think I got time to eat something till he gets here. Here it is, the car that's getting my new coilovers.
Y'all vlogging stuff? Yeah, man.
Way nicer than mine. Hood's dope.
Well, yeah, I'm thinking about starting one. Hey, man, start one like mine.
It's got nice avant-garde wheels. Harley body trunk, which I love. It's really nice. There he is. Bag secured. There's his Instagram in case you want to check out his video. He said he's doing some stuff to it, so go check it out. Let's see how loud it is. It's probably in my eardrums. Yeah, that's sick.
Hell yeah.
Wow.
Hell yeah.
That sounds. Alright, we're back home. I'm going to have Marquise pull his truck up because his rotors need to, or he says his rotors needs to be changed. Might be brake pads too, but definitely the rotors because they got grooves in them. So that's what we're really here to do, is fix that thing, or you know, do maintenance on it, whatever. Upon further inspection of these pads, that one's toast, it's cracking, and that one is non-existent. So, pretty easy to pull out. It's one of those kind of calipers where you can just pull it out the top. Though, the rotor on this side is fine. We're just going to jack up this side and check on it to see if we need a rotor or what the pads look like. We're going to get new pads for the front anyway, but we need to check on this rotor and make sure it's good.
Will it be good on that jack over there?
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, we're good. And then after we do that, we're gonna, I guess, run to the auto parts store and get whatever we need to fix it. Cool. Boy, was that a task. You see that right there? That is brake fluid. My dumb inexperience behind, because I don't do brakes a whole lot. We did, the passenger side went well, driver side not so well. I forgot to take the cap off the brake master cylinder, so I couldn't push. We built up so much pressure in the caliper pistons that I couldn't push the ones on the driver's side in, and pushed it so hard that one of the calipers just literally popped all the way out and spilled brake fluid everywhere. So then we had to bleed that side again because the pedal was mushy and going all the way to the floor. And I got brake fluid on one of the pads by accident when it popped out, because it was just a total surprise. I didn't know it was going to pop out. So they're smoking a little bit. Hopefully they'll be fine. I'm pretty sure they will. It'll probably burn off eventually and not keep on smoking forever. But boy, that was a whole lot of it's always some unexpected headache that comes with working on cars. Every time, it can never be easy, ever. The brake job I did for my cousin's car like 2 weeks ago, same deal. I didn't know how the rear calipers work. You twist them for the piston to go in instead of just push them in like a regular brake like normally would be. So yeah, all in all, still a really successful, fruitful day, and made some money, helped out Marquise. He got me a gift for helping him out. He got me some cool mechanics gloves, so I'll be using these on the channel. And yes, and that's it. Made some money, helped out a buddy, did some car stuff. Good day. So I'm with this video right here. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.